Hey there, Toolkit besties! Ever find yourself rewriting the same goal over and over again? If you have a favorite go-to goal, or maybe you just created the perfect goal, let's make sure you don't have to reinvent the wheel next time. Today, we're going to go over how you can save your goals within your personal goal library within SLP Toolkit. And we're also going to show you how you can create new custom goals using our AI Goal Builder. Let's jump right in. Let's start by heading to the Students tab and then scrolling down to the Goals section. Then, click Help Me Write a Goal. This opens the goal library where all the magic happens. From there, pick the category that fits your goal, like articulation, expressive language, or whatever you're working on. Next, click New. You can then add your custom goal in the text box at the bottom. You can type one out from scratch, or just paste in a goal directly from your IEP software. Easy! Want a little help writing your goals? You can also use our AI Goal Builder to generate custom SMART goals in seconds. To access it, click on the AI Goal Builder button in the Goal Library and select the first link. Then, enter key details like the student's grade, area of need, current skill level, and functional setting. For example, I want our AI Goal Assistant friend to help me create a goal for my second grade nonverbal student using a mid-tech AAC device who's working on requesting preferred items during structured play. I've also shared some additional key details so that I can get a goal that better supports my students' needs. And like magic, I've got a custom goal in seconds. Once your goal is good to go, click on the blue toolbox icon to save it to your personal library. Now, it'll be there whenever you need it. No retyping required. Easy, right? No more digging through old docs or rewriting the same goal 10 times. With your personalized goal library, everything's right where you need it, whenever you need it. Thanks for joining us today. And as always, if you ever have any questions or need any help, we're here for you. See you next time.